Now everyone open the chapter healthy food and also look at your own book. I'm sharing my screen, but you are having your own book. So you are requested to take a pencil, okay, and follow all the sentences with me. Okay. So this is our chapter. The name of the chapter is Healthy Food. All we know that keeping ourselves healthy, keep our body healthy, keep ourselves healthy, we should have healthy food. Healthy food make us strong. Yes, healthy food make us strong. It keep us active from whole day. So we should have healthy food. So let's start. Food is one of our basic necessities. 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 Let me underline the important sentence. 1 minute. Necessities mean the thing that is important for our body. Necessities mean the thing that are important for our body. Okay, we all need food to live and grow. Food provides us energy to work and play. It also helps us to stay healthy and fight against disease. Disease means raw. Okay, so it also helps us to stay healthy and fight against disease. Now we will learn different types of food. Different types of foods. Okay, different types of food. Different types of food help us in different ways. Food is divided into 3 main groups. Okay, so food that we have all day, throughout the day. There are few categories. Mainly 3 categories, 3 groups are there. Now, learned about it. Before that, you should write CW. Don't forget to write it. Every day we do it. CW. What is the today's date? Today is 12. So this is CW and also write today's date. Today is 12 07 21. Always write CW. Okay. Now go to the next page. This number 1 type is called bodybuilding food. So can you see my book? Bodybuilding food. Also underline the sentence that I am doing. Okay, it will help you to understand the important thing. Bodybuilding food. Okay, bodybuilding food means milk, eggs, meat, pulses, etc. are called bodybuilding food because they help us to grow and build our bones and muscle strong. Okay, so milk, egg, pulses, meat. Aisha Raiman, be attentive in the class. Bodybuilding food means the food that help us to grow and also build our bones and muscles strong. Very important line this is. How bodybuilding food help us. It build our bones and muscles strong. So if I ask you, the student, tell me give me example of few bodybuilding food. Then you have to tell me that milk, pulses, eggs and meat. Eggs, milk, pulses, meat, these are called bodybuilding foods. Understand? Now, energy giving food. Energy giving food means the first food give us energy. Food, those give us energy. Those give us energy. Jennifer Khan, keep on your video, everyone, and look at the screen and be attentive. Srijit, I can't see you. Srijit, I can't see you. Energy giving food mean rice, sugar, butter, potato, etc. are energy giving food. They give us energy to work and play. It doesn't mean that we can take lots of sugar at a time. Okay, so but sugar, potatoes, butter, rice, these are known as energy giving food. Okay, next, protective foods. Protective foods. Protective food. Fruits and vegetables are protective foods. Okay, they protect us from disease. This is a very important true fact. It is written that tomato is a fruit, not a vegetable. Understand? So nowadays we will not say that tomato is a vegetable. Very nice information it is that nowadays tomato is considered as a fruit, not a vegetable. Is it clear to all? We know as because we can also eat tomato in salad as a raw form. So that is why tomato is a fruit. It's not a vegetable. Understand? Okay. Samriddho Roy and Shamraj Joisi. Samriddho Roy. Srijita, are you there in the class? Srijita Dash. Because I can't see you for a long time, Srijita. I can't see you for a long time. Place your device properly. I can't see you, Srijita. And this is water. Water is also important for our body. Water is very important for our body. Apart from food, we also need to drink a lot of water every day because it helps us to digest our food. Digest, hajom. In Bengali, we say hajom. Digest our food. It also cleans our body by throwing out waste from our body. We should drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. We should have 8 glasses of water every day. Today, I would like to stop here as because few students are there in the class. So that is why I would like to stop here. Now I will ask you a few questions. Okay. So here I am. Okay. Rahat. Yes, Rahat, unmute your device. For long time you are raising your hand. Yes, say. Unmute your device, Rahat. Unmute your device, Rahat. Rahat, unmute your device. Rahat, are you there in the class? Then unmute your device. Rahat, I think it's not audible to me. Acha. Orkopriya, unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Give me 2 examples of energy giving food.
Rice, sugar.
Very good. Thank you, Orkopriya. Sariq Farhan, unmute your device.
Rice, potato, butter, sugar.
Very good.
Energy giving food.
Okay. Acha. Orindram Roy, tell me example of protective foods. Protective foods.
Fruit and vegetables.
Foods and vegetables. Very, very good. Spondon Pal, unmute your device. Spondon, tell me. Tomato is a vegetable or fruit? Tomato is a vegetable.
Tomato is the vegetable.
Tomato is a vegetable. I think you are not attentive in the class because I just said tomato is not a vegetable. Now tomato is considered as a fruit. Be attentive in the class. Ankush, Chandan. Everyone drop your hand. I will ask everyone. So drop your hand. Drop your hand. Farhan Akhtar, unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Tomato is a vegetable or fruit? Drop your hands, everyone, because I have to take attendance properly. Drop your hand. Tomato is a fruit or vegetable?
Fruit.
Yes, very good. Atrey, unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, give me the example of some. Okay, tell me that rice is which type of food?
Energy giving food.
Okay, very good. Srijita, unmute your device. Srijita, unmute your device. Srijita, unmute your device. What happened? Why are you taking time? Unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
Srijita, tell me that butter, meat, milk, which type of food? No, meat, butter, meat and milk. Meat and milk. Meat and milk.
Body building.
Yes, very good. Bodybuilding. Bodybuilding. Then Aisha Rahman, unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
What do we get from food? What do we get from food? What do we get from food? Okay, we are having only 3 minutes. After that, this meeting will be end. What do we get from food?
Recording in progress.
What happened? Aisha, you can tell me the answer. Ariana, yes, tell me.
Hello, ma'am.
Tell me.
I am joining the.
Who?
I am Arkan Ahmed.
Yes, I know. Do you know the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me.
Ma'am.
Yes, tell me. Why are you silent? Okay,
I can listen.
okay, student, then do one thing. Today, read the chapter properly. Okay? Read the chapter properly. Again, tomorrow I will ask you question.